Hello, welcome back. Let's continue our question 4-5b. Before we go to 4-5b, let's read the question for question 4. Question 4 is the same for question 4-5a and question 4-5b. So the name of the employee of Hogan thrift shop are listed on the following payroll register. Employees are paid weekly. The marital status and the number of allowances claimed as shown on the payroll register, along with each employee's weekly salary, which has remained the same all year. Complete the payroll register for the payroll period ending December 18, the 51st weekly pay day. So this December 18 will be the 51st because on a yearly basis, there are 52 weeks. So December 18 will be the 51st weekly pay day, and the December 31st would be the 52 weeks, 52 times, okay, for the last paycheck, December 31st. The state income tax rate is 2% of the total. So 4-5A is state income tax is 2%, but then 4-5B state income tax is 3.1%, and the city tax for 4-5A is 1.5%, and for 4-5B is 1% of the total gross earnings. And the wage bracket method is used for the federal income tax. For the federal income taxes. So remember, wage bracket method is not percentage, okay? The first employee income is over the wage bracket threshold. Please use the percentage method. So for the first employee, use the percentage method and apply the 113,600 as the OASDI limit. We still use the publication 15. So let's go to the 4-5B. 4-5B, remember the state SIT is the state income tax withholding is 3.1%, okay, 3.1%, and the city income tax withholding is 1%. It's totally different for 4-5A. So for Ken, on the total earning, he got $2,080 for his merit and allowances for the withholding allowances 3, and his OASDI is the same. So we take the F15 column, cell column F, and then cell row 15 F15 times the 0.062, so it's 6.2% for the employee, and employer is the same. So altogether, the OASDI is 12.4%, okay? Remember, the OASDI tax rate is the 6.2 for employee and 6.2 for employer, so it's 12.4% for the total. And if you get this number, you can drag on, you can take this little plus here and then drag all the way down to G22, and then you can do the sum. You can sum up from G15 through G22. Okay, you can see the formula in here. Okay, on the Medicare taxes is the F15 times the 0.0145 is 1.45%, and it's the same employer are the same 1.45. So altogether, total is 2.9%. So if you get this cell, you can use the little plus here and then drag all the way down to G22, and then you can sum up all this column from from I15 to I22. Okay. From I15 to I22, you can sum it up. You can see the formula in here. Okay, for the federal income tax withholding, on the first one, federal income tax withholding, first one, we use the wage bracket method for the first one is on page 46 on the first one. Oh, except so you use the wage bracket method except the very first. Very first you use the percentage method. Okay, so on the percentage method we have 3 allowances, withholding allowances. So let's go back to publication 15. Publication 15 with the 4 allowances. For the first one, it's 3 allowances, sorry. It's 3 allowances. So he's married, and then it's a weekly payment. $75 times 3. $75 allowances times 3, and then take the $2,080 minus the withholding allowances, equal to $1,855 minus the $1,554. How did we get that? We go down to the publication 15. On the weekly pay, this is the weekly pay, married. Ken is married, okay, and his weekly pay is 1,000. After the withholding allowance is 1,855. Is over 1,554 and below 2,975. So we take the 1,855 minus the $1,554 times 25%, and then add the $191.95. So you take the 1,855 minus the 1,554 times 25% and add the $191.95, equal to 267.20 for the federal income tax withholding. Okay, and on the second one, on CAM, would be on page 46. So we go to publication, page 46, 15, publication 15, page 46. This is the single weekly, okay, because CAM is single and he's paying weekly. So his payment is $490. $490, at least $490. This is less than $490, so we have to take at least $490, and but below $500. And he is single, and he is one withholding allowance, 0 and 1 is $48. So here is $48 allowances, okay? Federal income tax withholding. And Hal, he's married and 0 withholding. Okay, so let's go back to the page 48. Page 48 would be Mary paying bi-weekly, paying the on the weekly basis, and his total payment is $675. 675 would be at least 670, but below 680 within this line, and it's 0 allowance, so it's $60 for the 0 allowance. $60. Okay, next one is Debbie. Debbie would be page 46, and she is single with 3 allowance, page 46. Single, okay, with 3 allowance. So her payment was $510, at least $510, but below $520, okay? So Debbie is 3 withholding allowance 0, 1, 2, 3, 29, okay? 0, 1, 2, 3, 29 for the federal income tax withholding, $29. Dawn, Dawn would be 47, page 47, and Dawn is single and with 1 allowance. 47, page 47. Single, weekly, and Dawn got paid $1,010. At least $1,010, and 1 allowance, so it's $146. 146 withholding. 146. And Cheryl is single and 2 allowances, 2 withholding allowances, and she made $850. Cheryl, page 47, the same. Page 47. For Cheryl, $850. 850 would be at least 850, and with 2 allowances, 850, 2 allowances, $91. Okay, for the federal income tax withholding, $91. 91. Rhonda, single and 1 allowances, 1 withholding allowances. Rhonda is 46. This is page 46. Single, weekly, Rhonda is making $490.90. $490.90 is at least $490, but below $500, and her allowances is 101, so it's $48 withholding, federal income tax withholding, $48. Okay, 48. And Stacy is married with 3 withholding allowances. So Stacy is 48. Page 48 is Stacy. So this is 48. And married. Stacy is married with 3 allowances, and she made $611.15. $611, so it's at least 610. So it's this line here, and her allowances is 30123, so it's $23 withholding. Okay, $23. And the state income tax, you will take the F column, F15, times the 3.1% converted to decimal point 0.031. You see the formula here, 0.031. And this one is the same. So if you want to drag on, you get a little plus here, you drag it down all the way down from M16 to M22, and then you need to sum it up. Okay, all this you need to sum it up also. So you see the formula for summing. Sum M15 dot M22, close bracket. And the city tax is 1%, as I said. City tax is F15 times the 0.01. So this is the same. So if you want to drag on all the way from O 16 to 022. You can drag it on.